Charcoal smokers create a rich smoky flavor that tenderizes the meat and makes even the toughest cuts fall off the bone. Unlike grilling, smoking takes time. It's a bit of a ritual, maybe even art. It's no accident that many barbecue competitors use charcoal smokers. A smoking session encourages you to slow down, gather with friends, and create memories that are sure to last longer than the delicious food you'll produce on a charcoal smoker. There are many products available to choose charcoal smokers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best charcoal smokers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Vertical 18 Charcoal Smoker. This grill features 510 square inches of primary cooking surface and 2 stackable steel wire racks. Drop your pork slab on one tier and an entire turkey, chicken, or salmon on the other. The 3.45 square foot cooking chamber provides ample space for it. The Cuisinart COS 118 Vertical 18 Charcoal Smoker is made from thick porcelain enameled steel that is rust resistant, easy to clean, and durable. The grill grates are also made from stainless steel. Outside, you'll find a front access door that provides easy access to your smoke box and coal chamber. I wish that the Cuisinart design would have included 2 independent doors, one for each partition, but considering the price and additional perks, this missing feature can be overlooked. Additional perks include a porcelain enameled steel bowl and a well-designed dual venting system that allows you to regulate temperature with convenience and ease. This grill is intuitive to use and performs like far more expensive grills. Like the charcoal, add charcoal or wood chunks, fill the water pan, and drop your food. Because this is a vertical smoker, heat and flavor are more effectively distributed. Number 2. Kamado Joe Classic Joe 2 Charcoal Grill. If you enjoy rich flavor, cooking flexibility, and handsome and efficient design, you're going to like the Kamado Joe Classic 2 Ceramic Charcoal Grill. This 18-inch grill features a 2-tier cooking system. The multi-level half-moon design allows you to cook different food in unique styles at appropriate temperatures all at the same time. This grill is constructed from powder-coated cast aluminum and features a patented dual adjustment top vent that allows you to dial in your temperature with precision. This feature ensures that you maintain consistent airflow under the dome top. This grill is sturdy, but thanks to Kamado's patented design, the weight of the lid has been reduced by 96%. No joke, you can lift the top with a single finger. This unit holds in the heat, allowing you to achieve high searing temperatures of 750 degrees Fahrenheit, down to 225 degrees Fahrenheit for low and slow cooking. The cast iron cart with locking wheels is included with the grill. It not only looks sleek and stylish, but it also offers plenty of amenities. The tool hooks are a convenient feature. I also like having 2 side tables to prep or store spices. And the wheels with locking casters ensure that this 225-pound grill rolls around the patio with ease and stays in place. Number 3. Dynaglow 36 Vertical Charcoal Smoker. The best vertical charcoal smokers are compact, portable, easy on the wallet, and ideal for those who want to achieve maximum smoke flavor. The Dynaglow 363 Vertical Charcoal Smoker features 4 height-adjustable cooking grates and 784 square inches of cooking surface. Thanks to this 4-tier system, you have the freedom to cook a variety of meat or raise and lower your grates to accommodate large cuts. This versatile charcoal smoker weighs 56 pounds, making it highly transportable and ideal for pulling double duty. It provides the cooking space and efficiency I need for home grilling, yet I'm still able to take this along when I tailgate or camp. This unit features a powder-coated steel exterior and a porcelain enameled cooking chamber. Thanks to that, this unit is easy to clean, rust-resistant, and built for ideal heat distribution and temperature management. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.